In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Crazy Domains account. If you're ready to take this step, whether you're moving to another service or simply decluttering your digital life, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Crazy Domains Account Manager. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Crazy Domains website. Once there, log in using your account credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you can manage all your services and settings related to Crazy Domains. Now, within the dashboard, look for the option labeled My Profile. This is typically located at the top menu or sidebar, depending on the current layout of the site. Clicking on My Profile will take you to a new page that displays all your personal and account information. It's always a good idea to review the information here just to ensure everything is current before moving forward with deleting your account. Once you're in the Profile section, you should see your name prominently displayed. Directly below your name, there will be a status indicator, likely showing as active. This status confirms that your account is currently in good standing and operational. Hover over or click on this status and a menu should appear with various options regarding your account status. The next step is crucial. Look for an option that says Delete Account. This might be a button or a link, and it's often highlighted to catch your attention. Clicking on Delete Account will initiate the process to remove your account from Crazy Domains. Before you proceed, be sure to read any prompts or warnings that Crazy Domains provides. It's essential to understand that deleting your account is usually irreversible. You'll lose access to any domains, hosting plans, or other services associated with this account. Make sure you've backed up any necessary data or transferred your domain to another provider if needed. Once you've thoroughly considered the implications and are ready to proceed, confirm your decision when prompted. This might involve entering your password again or acknowledging a final confirmation message. After doing so, your account will be scheduled for deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Crazy Domains account. This process can sometimes take a short period to complete, depending on the provider's policies, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't vanish immediately. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Crazy Domains customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.